The US dollar index failed to recoup yesterday's losses. Partly it was due to the negative news about the suspension of the use of the Johnson & Johnson's COVID vaccine in the United States. Meanwhile, Australia unveiled upbeat labour market data showing that the employment level increased significantly in March. Market reaction was rather curious. The Australian dollar strengthened, while the greenback temporarily lost luster with investors. Interesting, isn't it? Let's talk about the latest market events in detail. On Thursday morning, the US dollar index is trading near April's low, which is the level of 91.66. Besides, the US Treasury yields dropped considerably yesterday. The US Consumer Price Index rose by 2.6% in March in annual terms, which was also an extremely high figure for the country. The only positive factor for the US dollar was the Fed's pledge to maintain the soft monetary policy. Yesterday, Jerome Powell once again assured investors that the regulator would not hike rates in the near future. The US dollar index is likely to stay in the range of 91.56 to 91.70 ahead of the publication of US retail sales data for March. We will carefully study the report and discuss it later in our video review. Over the past day, the trajectory of the yen has not changed significantly. Market uncertainty still persists. The dollar-yen pair fell by only 12 pips following a strong decrease of the US dollar. So, judging by the chart, the pair is highly likely to reverse upwards. The current level of 109.37 does not look like the main target for the pair. However, if it breaks the resistance level of 109.65, it will signal the resumption of the upward movement. In general, demand for the greenback is still beyond. This is why the target level for the pair is located slightly higher at 110.38. Following an increase in oil prices, the Aussie gained momentum. In addition, it took advantage of the weakness of the US currency, showing the largest gain of 87 pips. Today, it slightly reversed downwards in the Asian session. Experts are confident that the Aussie will continue to decline. Upbeat employment data did not boost the Australian currency. Yet soon, US retail sales data for March will be published. The figure is projected to grow by 5.9%. If so, it may weaken the Aussie and push the US dollar back to growth. Despite the fact that the quote did not follow the predicted scenario, there is still a chance for a reversal to the 0.7641 level. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you in our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.